Today, I will be demonstrating an outstanding strategy that provides numerous profitable signals. This strategy has given me a 76% increase on my account. What is more amazing is that this effective strategy involves just 2 indicators. This makes the strategy so easy to understand and execute. This strategy can be applied to crypto, Forex, and stocks. I will be using this in a 1-minute time frame, making it shows a lot of signals. With this, you can grow your account in a very fast way. By the way, if you wish to join my community, you can find the link to my Telegram group in the description below. And don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel as it helps us create more content like this for free. Now that we have gotten that out of the way, let's get started. Before we proceed, make sure that you are in a 1-minute chart. Navigate to the indicator search tab. For the first indicator, search for Scalping Momentum Oscillator. Click the indicator made by Everjet. For the second indicator, search for Cumulative Delta Volume. Click the indicator made by Lonesome the Blue. Let's head over the settings and make some adjustments. First, head over to the Cumulative Delta Volume Indicator settings and change these colors to a bright green and a bright red. And for the inputs, we will leave it as it is. After that, close the tab. Now let's make some adjustments to the Scalping Momentum Oscillator. Head over to the indicator settings. Navigate to the Style section and change the color 2 to white. After that, untick the max and min levels. Untick the overbought and oversold level, and change the 0 level to a straight line. Go over to the Input section and change the length to 21. That's all that we needed to change. Now, the chart definitely looks much better. By the way, if you are wondering which exchange I trade Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies on, you can press the link below this video and take a look at Bybit. On this platform, you can easily make a deposit from your bank account and trade over 150 cryptocurrencies. You can use leverage up to 100 times while trading to make profits even faster. In addition, you can use a 4-price layout to keep an eye on multiple cryptocurrencies at the same time. If you also want to trade on this exchange, visit Bybit through the link below this video. Through the link, you will get a deposit bonus up to $4,153. All right, let me continue. Before we get into the trading rules, let's actually understand what these indicators are and how they work. So first of all, let's start with this Cumulative Delta Volume Indicator. And by the way, this is going to be our first confirmation indicator. This indicator is something similar to the Fibonacci indicator. However, it does issue more accurate buy and sell signals during trending market conditions. This is because its measurements are based on volume. As you can see, this indicator also looks like the main chart. This is because it uses bars to calculate when there is bullish or bearish momentum in the market. It would also be confirming the general trend in the market. Now, let me tell you what the general rules are for this strategy. The general rules are simple. If we get a green candle, it means the buyers outweigh the current sellers in the market. And if we get a red candle, there are more sellers than buyers in the current market. The second confirmation indicator we're going to be using is the Scalping Momentum Oscillator. Actually, this indicator works like the Relative Strength Indicator, or RSI, that we all know. However, the only difference is that we would be using it as a 0-line cross indicator. This is because we have removed the oversold and overbought areas. This will help us filter the false signals given by our main confirmation indicator. Okay, now let's actually understand the rules for the strategy. But before we get into that, we need to add the ATR-based indicator, as it would be determining the stop losses for each and every single trade. Navigate to the Indicator Search tab and type in ATR. Click the one under Technicals. Entry Conditions. Now that the indicators are on the chart, let's review the trading conditions before entering a position. Okay, So for a long position to be valid, we need to have a new bullish or green candlestick from the delta volume indicator. This means that the buying volume is greater than the seller. Second, the Shandy oscillator has to be above the zero line. This means that there is a bullish momentum in the market. Entry and exit signal. Once we have these two conditions met, then we are going to go ahead and place a buy order at the close of the triggered candlestick. Our stop loss will be set at 2 times the value of the ATR. Now for the take profit, we are going to be targeting 1.5 times the risk. Now, the exact opposite is true for a short position. For taking a short position, first we need to have a new bearish or red candlestick from the delta volume indicator, which means that the selling volume is greater than the buyers. Second, the Shandy oscillator has to be below the zero line. This means that there is a bearish momentum in the market. With these two confirmations met, we can now enter a short position. Place the entry at the triggered candlestick. Set the stop loss at 2 times the ATR value. Then set the take profit at 1.5 times the risk. I backtested the strategy 100 times. And here is the result. I used the strategy on Bitcoin and reached 52% win rate. In 100 trades, the strategy accumulated 76%. If you have $1,000 as capital, you'll end up having a total of $1,760 on the final account. Now that's the end of the strategy. I hope you learned more in this video. By the way, I put my Telegram link in the description down below. You can join my Telegram community so you can be updated on my current affairs. Also, if you like this video, please hit the subscribe button so you don't miss more videos like this. As always, thank you for your time and see you on my next video. Goodbye.